Hello and welcome to our review of the Merrell Men's Moab 2 Vent Hiking Shoe. If you're someone who enjoys outdoor activities like hiking, then you know how important it is to have a reliable pair of shoes. The Merrell Moab 2 is a popular choice among hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at this shoe and sharing our thoughts on its design, comfort, and performance. Let's start by talking about the design of the Merrell Moab 2. The shoe features a durable leather and mesh upper that provides both support and breathability. The mesh material allows air to circulate around your feet, keeping them cool and dry on hot days. The shoe also has a protective rubber toe cap to prevent damage to your toes. Now let's talk about comfort. The Merrell Moab 2 has a comfortable fit that hugs your foot without feeling too tight. The shoe also has a removable EVA footbed that provides cushioning and support. The shoe's midsole is made of EVA foam, which helps absorb shock and reduces the impact on your feet during long hikes. Finally, let's talk about performance. The Merrell Moab 2 is designed to provide excellent traction on a variety of surfaces. The shoe has a Vibram outsole that provides grip on both wet and dry surfaces. The shoe's heel also has an air cushion that helps absorb shock and provides added stability. Overall, the Merrell Moab 2 is a great choice for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities. Its durable design, comfortable fit, and reliable performance make it a top pick for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a high-quality hiking shoe that will keep your feet comfortable and protected, the Merrell Moab 2 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our review of the Merrell Men's Moab 2 Vent Hiking Shoe. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and outdoor gear recommendations. Happy hiking!